I'm off to meet my best friend here in Iligan. O niya, late ko. Dugay ko nakamata. Nag-skate po dyan akong piyan. So, ang ending niya akong gisundo din. Itong pangitaon. Come on, guys. Anday pink na tindahan. Asa mo lang. Pink na tindahan din. Kalimut ko dyan yung sakyanan manawag sa ko. Ayun na siya guys. Dali ko sa pasok. Hablin eh. Puspos lagi kay ko. Or feeling lang na ako. Feeling na natin mo. Yan ako sa kanyang mama. We stopped by McDonald's for our breakfast and pulled over near the seaside and talked about life, caught up with the latest chismes and whatnot. After that, she took me to this new tourist spot place in Initaw and we had some pictures and left. Asa ta, Initaw?
Nana kag Initaw.
Nami Initaw with my driver. With my driver. Nga camera shy. Nice cake view. I think dili siya madu justice.
Nice cake siya view.
Nice siya view pero feeling na ko dili siya ma-justify sa camera. Then she took me to Isidros Beach, which has a beautiful white sand beach and tables where we could sit and talk. Nasa na band? Minga kay Monday. So, dali naman magtawag. Diri kanin! Mag-talk show ta.
Crazy, ikaw ba yan?
Hey guys, so I have a special guest today. Oh man, nice kang view. Masuya sila sa vacation. Okay guys, akong guest karon is single pa and ready to mingle.
Are you sure? Dili
Comment down below kung that ninyo ako, friend. I'd be happy to share.
I think something wrong. I'd be happy to share.
So when we arrived at the beach, we just sat and talked again about friends, family, and life. Di ba na may pink beach?
Oh, ilang tawag ba to?
Oh. Taga-asa yun? Ako po, murag nawala siya sa Facebook no? Dili na siya active. Sad ko. Nice kayo ang beach, guys. Yung wala ko dala ilisan kay nindot kay kauban ako kauban.
Abi naman ako sightseeing,
Dili siya mo announce kung asam eh. Pero okay na sad.
Announce mo kung nga dagat, pero wala.
After the beach, it was time for lunch, so we headed to this pit stop restaurant where she let me try her favorite dish, beef kilawin. og kinilaw siya?
Yes, beef sa beef.
Pili na ko, grabe na kayo ang inflammation sa kuluas. Uwi na namig Centennial Park kay unexpectedly. Alas 4 pa dahil ko mulakaw. Ay, nag-half day lang to. Backstory, karon ni na day na kailangan may mag-visit ni Mami.
Ang MDK whole day di ay siya.
Whole day di ay ko. Money ang duty for today. Backstory guys, nananghid lang si Junine na magawas sa iyahang work para maglaag ni. Shout out kay Rosel og Darmy, among old college classmates kay gisugtan si Junine maggawas sa school. Duty for today. This place was a trip down memory lane because back in college days we used to hang out here whenever we had a large vacant time in between subjects. Honestly, wala na ko kabalo unsa among topic ani, but still we had chika before we went our separate ways. Wala na may kita ni Junine. Next year na pag may magkita, guys.